What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, you may see that I'm standing by the ZDAYZ trailer because it is the 23rd annual ZDAYZ up here in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. So today is Saturday. They do events all week from the 13th to the 17th, and today is their car show. So we're going to give you a look behind the scenes at the ZDAYZ car show. Stay tuned. Guys, they'll probably copyright strike me because of the music, but the first car we'll start with is actually the folks who put this event on. This is Brian Settles Z. This is just a monster that he has been building for years and years, and that is just spectacular. This thing, nothing has been left untouched for this car. I mean, look at that. Even went right-hand drive on it. That is unreal. So nice. Such a work of art. All right. And you can see, man, some of these are just so clean. Carbon fiber everywhere. Those seats are super sexy. They kind of look like a Volkswagen GTI throwback. Yeah. Oh yeah, right here's my speed. This one is beautiful. Woo. So that's what my engine bay should look like, but it's gonna look a little bit different. Man, I wish I'd have got to park with these guys. Look at those Recaro seats. This thing is flawless. Beautiful. This is probably the best Z31 I've seen. Love the fairlady details. Another one is super clean. You guys know I love black and gold. And look at that. So good. These things you know, these guys started it all, and I don't think there's a look that was more iconic than the Datsun. I mean, everybody knows it from any genre. So far, this is my favorite. From all the little touches down low to that matte black hood. This one is just ridiculous. Yeah, this one right here. This is where it's at. Okay. Guys, look at it from the back. There is not an angle of this car that isn't just sexy. I love the louvers. Part of me wants to put the louvers on mine. Yeah, this is my favorite so far. God, it's sexy. Beautiful. I always love these little flip-ups so that you can get to your batteries, things like that. It's just such a neat design shoe. Look at this. All right, guys, we're in the part of the car show now that I can't afford. These are the new Proto Z's twin turbo monsters, and I'm coming to this one because I just freaking love this orange. God dang, it looks good. That front end, you know, there's some of the new Z front end don't look that great, but this aftermarket one is phenomenal. I love the Heritage Z on the side, and this is the Heritage Edition. But yeah, everything about this is just beautiful. I love it. Love it. Man, the metal flake in this paint is beautiful. Look at this interior, guys. Carbon fiber, everything. It's awesome. Carbotech. Yeah, lots of new Z's here. And there you can see the difference on this orange. This is still a Heritage Z, but you can see that front end is a little different. I love seeing the Infinities in here too. How's it going, guys? All right, guys, this is the GOAT. This is the one. This is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love those wheels. Something about the heritage and the nostalgia of BBS wheels. Now, these were always my favorite. I remember wishing my dad had bought 1 year newer when he bought his version, because I loved this version of the Z. But now, I'm glad I got the Z31. But I still think this car, the look, is just iconic. And this is all of our daddies. I love these. My best friend had one of these when I was growing up. We thought we were the shit riding around in this thing. And even though I'm not in the show, I'm still parked over there in a Z area. Yeah, I love these Heritage Z's. Yeah, look at those fender flares on this one. They look good. Yeah. The Heritage Edition is where it's at. This color is just fantastic. Going, guys. This is a beauty. It's a little different than the others, but man.
Yeah, we didn't know there weren't going to be many classic cars here.
Yeah, big 442. Thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful. Man, I love carbon fiber. She is beautiful. Look how that carbon just reflects in the sun, guys. Those mirrors. Hey, whose is this?
I'm not 100% sure.
I was in that car club.
Okay.
Is this yours?
No.
Guys, that was my car club. That was my car club in the early 2000s.
The guy, well, this is the guy.
The font's a little different, but it's the same. All right, guys, it's story time. So Team Hanasoto was Hondas, Nissans, and Toyotas. We were big at the end of the 90s, early 2000s. We were a pretty big group. We would roll pretty deep down to the Nopi shows in Atlanta. And my car at the time actually got 3rd place, my first time competing at Nopi. So just for nostalgia, I've thought about rocking a Team Hanasoto sticker on my Z. So it's cool to know that someone has kind of resurrected it and they're bringing it back. I absolutely love this color scheme as well. I've been loving this blue lately. You know, Jeep did some kind of Earl blue that I love. And then you have this, I think it might be called like slate. But it's beautiful, especially with the red accents at the bottom. I think this is actually a Nismo. It is a Nismo. That's why you get the red accents. Then you have the special edition red seats as well. I absolutely cannot wait to get my body kit on. But this thing is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, the little diffusers there are awesome. All right, Jeffrey, we got to find this, man. We have got to find, was it actually made for this car?
Yeah.
Or did you?
No, it's made for this car.
All right, guys, that is it for the ZDAYZ car show. These two guys behind me, they were my favorites of the day. You saw all the cars, so tell me, out of everything that you saw, what was your favorite Z? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.